Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will show how you can create a furniture store website like this website. This is a demo website. We will able to create a similar website after watching this step-by-step tutorial. I will show each and every step how you can create a similar looking website for your company. You can add or edit all the sections in this website. So let's get started. From the WordPress dashboard, go to theme section from the appearance. Click on add new, upload theme, and upload the theme you downloaded. I will add the theme download link in the video description so you can download the theme and use on your website. Once you click on the install now button, it will start uploading. The link you follow has expired. Sometimes this happens because WordPress does not allow large file uploading. So I will upload the theme from the Cpanel or hosting. You have to log in on your hosting. Log on the hosting account. Go to file manager, public HTML, WP content, and then go to themes section. Here I will upload the theme. Once the upload process is complete, come back to theme section again and unzip the theme. Click on the extract button, reload it, and here is the theme we uploaded. So I will go to theme section again in WordPress dashboard and activate the theme. Here is the theme we uploaded on the Cpanel. Click on activate button. They will recommend some plugins to install, but before we do that, we need to upload a child theme first that exactly look like our demo website, that is layout 2. So we will upload the child theme layout 2. This is a small file, so we can upload from the WordPress dashboard. Activate the child theme, and now we will install all the plugins. Select all the plugins, install, and hit the apply. It will take time because there are 20 more plugins to install. Once all once all the plugins are installed successfully, click on the return to the dashboard option. It has taken us to the WooCommerce installation page. I will skip the setup for now because we can set up this later. From the appearance, go to import demo data option. From here, hit the import demo data. You need to wait patiently because it needs time to import all the demo data, images and other data. Once demo data import process is complete, you can visit the site. Our website is ready with all demo content. We have to edit all the content and replace our original content to make our website functional. You can edit all the sections here. I will show how you can edit all the sections. Go to dashboard. Here you will find all the options to edit your website. Go to TM theme setting from the appearance. Here you will find some option to edit website logo and some other important options. You can just upload your own logo and it will be saved. You can change website colors, background color, font color and other type of typography from this setting. This tab is for header section. From the top bar you can check and edit all the sections you want to edit. Go to customize option from the appearance again. Here you can change some important options like site identity, color, header image, background, widget and all other important sections. You have to check these options manually and make changes whatever you need. From the products section you can upload your products or you can edit previously uploaded products to edit with your original products. These are some demo products. You can edit and update all. To edit the home page, you have to click on Edit with WP Bakery Page Builder. This will allow you to change home page contents. WP Bakery is a visual page builder. You can just edit and update all the content visually. You just need to click on the pencil icon. This will allow you editing all the contents. To edit any section, just hover over on that section and click on the small pencil icon. Editing box will be appear. You can change all the text and other settings and hit the save changes button. It will save the changes. This is a WooCommerce shortcode. You can collect this from the WooCommerce website page. Here you will find some shortcode instruction that you can follow and add on your website to display products depending on your requirement. You can edit and update this code if you understand, or you can take help from your developer friend. As I changed the number, product display option already changed. You can change these images. This is basically partner images. To change the footer section, you have to edit the widgets. From the dashboard, go to widget. Here you will find widget sections, so you have to check all the sections and find the related widget what you want to edit. This is first footer widget area. You can change this text and links. And it will be affected here. This way you can check all the widgets and edit and update all the widgets. So these are some basic editing of this theme, and following this method you can easily create a furniture store website. Now we will learn how to edit the slider section of our website. Here you have to click on slider revolution and you have to find the slider we are using on the home page. You can edit and update all the content from this section. You can drag any element anywhere you want to place. Once you're done editing, hit the save button and your slider will be updated.